Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Talk with Matoni. I'm your host, Martin Oishi, and today I'll be talking about 20 prominent programming languages, and I'm going to categorizing them with the primary superpowers. I call them superpowers because that's what they're mostly used for. It's not that they can't do other things, but this is what they are mostly used for, and this is where they show you that they are good. Now, on number one, we got web development, which is the internet's core. Now, we got languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP. Basically, it's HTML, CSS. They are not primary programming languages, but I'm just going to be listing them. Then we got Ruby, commonly used for Ruby arrays. Now, you need to understand that JavaScript is the undisputed king of the web, especially for interactive frontend. And TypeScript, on the other hand, is a safer version of JavaScript, just new came out actually, used for large-scale professional projects to prevent bugs. Now we got PHP, the veteran of the web, still powering over 75% of websites across the world, including WordPress. Now we got Ruby and Rails, which I already have previously explained. Then the second category I got artificial intelligence and data science. Now, if you're working with big data, machine learning, or complex math, these are the tools you ought to look out for. Now, for number one, we got Python. See, Python is the king of AI. It is like the demigod of AI and machine learning. In fact, on general automation, Python has to do with everything in it. Now we got Arrow, which is a specialized language used by statisticians and for every academic data visualization. We also got SQL, which is more like the universal language for talking to databases and interacting information. We got Julia, a newer language designed for high performance numerical analysis and scientific computing. Then we also got MATLAB. MATLAB, you may have heard of it before, but it's primarily used in engineering and advanced physics for matrix manipulation. Now, the third category, which has to do with mobile app development, which is used for building apps that live on your phone's home screen. Yeah, all your apps on your mobile phones. These are the top languages that are used in developing those apps. And we got number one, Swift, which is the official modern language for all Apple products. I mean, all of it. Your MacBook, your iPhone, all of them, even down to the Apple Watch, has Swift in it. Then we got Kotlin, which is a modern Google preferred language for Android development. It's more like the newest Java. That's what I call it actually. Then we got that, which powers the Flutter framework. Now, in case you don't know, Flutter is a cross development framework, more like build one, launch anywhere framework. So you can basically code in that Flutter specific, and then you launch it on Apple, Android, anywhere it's gonna run. So that's that for that. Then we got Objective-C, which is the older language for Apple apps, now mostly used for maintaining legacy code bases. Now let's not forget we got Java, no longer used because an older language for Android apps, but still used not like it used to be anyway, but still there because Kotlin replaced Java, Swift replaced Objective-C for both Android and iOS apps. Now we got the fourth category which has to do with systems and high performance programming. Now here we got about five programming languages. Is number one, we got C, the grandfather of all modern day languages. Now, it's used for hardware drivers and tiny embedded chips. Oh yeah, all embedded systems either has C or C++ with it. Trust me on that. Now, we got C++, the gold standard for high-end video games and complex software like Photoshop, your almighty Photoshop. Now we got Rust, the rising star. It offers the speed of C++, but with memory safety to prevent crashes. Now, this is just a tip. Rust was specifically built to replace C++ on the part where the C++ lacks the most, which is memory safety, because there are more memory leaks on C++. That is that. That for that. I'm gonna explain more in my next video. Now we got Go language, which was created by Google to be simple and fast. It's actually the king of cloud infrastructure and microservices. Yeah, you heard me when powers Postman. Now we got Java. Java is the enterprise workhorse. It's used for banks and big corporations for massive stable systems, also on big data, on microservices. It's more like the oracle of the net. Because C Sharp, Microsoft's flagship language, widely used for Microsoft app for Windows applications in particular, not just Microsoft but Windows applications. And it's also the Unity game engine language. So just for a summary, we got five categories which I previously stated: web development, AI and data science, mobile apps, enterprise to backend infrastructure, then system and gaming. Now, if you would like to get more information on these topics, please hit the like and subscribe button, follow for more. I'll be explaining more on this in the next video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you on the next one.